Chinchaka, chinchaka, I'm the chinchaka. No.
Well, everybody knows school time again. Thumbs up to all of them niggas they going back to school. But although it's school just like a start back, we know no have the major problem we have every year.
The teachers.
First you have them teacher, they when no matter what, they just can't late for them class. Yo dog, yeah man, me I can go in a class now, little bit.
Where are going this late?
A class me I come miss.
Class, this time? Look at the time. Class started 8:30. It's now 8:31. Go to the principal office now.
We can't go to principal office. I just a pencil me go buy now. Miss my mother will kill me now.
So you're gonna stand here and argue with me? I'm gonna call the parents and I'm gonna tell them that they have a criminal coming to school. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna tell them that they have a gunman coming to school. I'm gonna tell them that you stand here and try to fight me. I'm gonna tell them that you even hit me. I'm gonna tell the parents everything that you did.
Then you have them other teachers who every question they ask, are you first then pick pan for answer.
What is the name of the 13th planet? Rick? Yeah. Yes, you. Answer that, please. Rick, what is the name of your father? Sorry. I mean, the man that robbed my house. What is the name of the lady that took away my husband? Rick, can you answer that, please?
Then the final teachers are some teacher will always tell you a bag of things we are going on in the yard or some things that you really don't want to hear at the moment. Yes, miss, I know the answer. 1 + 1 = 2.
1 + 1 = 2. Oh my gosh, you sound exactly like my little son. You know, my little son just started kindergarten the other day, and his father is taking so much care of him. I love him so much. He's so cute. He's the best baby I've ever seen. I don't think your mom got any baby as cute as my baby.
If you know a teacher like these teachers that I just listed or have a teacher like them, well, I think you should surely like this video, share this video, or subscribe for more videos. And you can also drop a comment below and follow my IG. Yeah. Now, peace.